Alright, this is Preventative Maintenance by Logan Forster. So implementation of a program would be your first step to actually getting started. So preventative maintenance, or PMs, are a set of daily, monthly, or yearly tasks that a maintenance technician will be assigned as a means to keep machinery in working order. Pretty much means, a plan, whether it be laid out for a year or a month or a week. You're planning what you're doing. You're figuring out what you need to do. So to get started, you'd find a program and implement it that would, be best fit for that machinery or your entire plant. So you can use a computer program. A lot of them have they're digital or whatever, and you can use a calendar program like this dude is doing right here with a 31-day maintenance schedule. Why do I need a program? They're gonna save you money, time, and like I'm gonna say a lot in this PowerPoint, you're gonna have technicians that don't want to do anything. You're gonna use this to keep them busy, and you can justify, what you're doing in your department with your guys, and you don't have to worry about it. Classifying breakdowns would be your second step. You figure out, what is the cause of this breakdown, and how can I prevent it with maintenance. So you've got two different types of maintenance, which is preventative maintenance, which is what we're talking about right now. You got corrective maintenance, which is when you have to fix something. So preventative maintenance would be, okay, next week I need to change the oil in this machine. And corrective maintenance is, oh, the oil's low, I need to go change this because somebody didn't do their PMs. So it's defining it right here. Preventative maintenance is classified as plannable activities intended to avert machine failure. Corrective maintenance is classified as activities performed in response to hard or soft machine failures, and we'll get to that. Classifying breakdowns as hard or soft failures will ultimately benefit the workplace. A hard breakdown would be something that is going to take you a long time. So if, say, that machine that's low on oil ended up just completely overheating, tearing up, you've got parts on the floor because they just broke, and then you've got soft failures, which is again like a low oil warning. Your machine might shut off and you fill it up with oil and get going. By identifying what is frequently broken, how and why, management can discuss different ways to combat the breakdowns, and technicians can work to fix it. So what they're going to be doing is, okay, look at this report and say, okay, this is what it's doing, and they'll get together, figure it out, and ultimately, in most cases, fix it, or figure out how to fix it. Step 3 would be just keep on doing it. Consistency. If a preventative maintenance plan is going to work, the technicians must have a comprehensible, well-organized plan to go by. You can't be going out into the field not knowing what you're going to do. That's why to reiterate, you've got planning, and if you don't plan it right, you can't do it right. So consistent care of machinery will familiarize the technician with the task, as well as keep the machine in perfect working order. You can't go into something and expect to do it right without not having experience with it. And that's what preventative maintenance is also about, is getting your guys right with the machines. You know, preventative maintenance in everyday life. This is really just an example of preventative maintenance again. It's whether you change the oil in your car or clean out your garbage disposal in your sink, you're preventing a future failure. And that's what preventative maintenance is all about. You don't want to have to replace that garbage disposal a year down the line because you didn't clean it, or you don't want it to stink. And then you've got changing the oil in your car. You don't want your car to blow up, so you change the oil. Simple as that. By eliminating the factors that could potentially cause failure, you are performing preventative maintenance tasks. Whether you think you are or not, if you're doing something to benefit you in the long run or change the outcome of something, you're doing preventative maintenance. And anything that you take care of is going to last long. So this is the end. Just the basic benefits of preventative maintenance. I've pretty much said it the whole time, but the prevention of breakdowns as well as keeping production and operation rates high is the ultimate responsibility of a maintenance technician, and that is made easy with the use of preventative maintenance. You got to do it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.